Hey guys, how are you all doing? So it's another Thursday and this time the video is different. I posted recently on my IG stories that I had tried baking passion fruit cookies and some chocolate cookies, and a few people slid into my DM and they wanted to know the recipes of those cookies. So I decided to shoot a video of 3 of my favorite cookie recipes that I like, and just a few tips on how to make them soft and still crunchy at the same time. So yeah, let's just jump right onto the video. So you're going to need some sugar, Prestige or any margarine that you have. This is vanilla essence. Then these are 3 passion fruits. I have a whisk and a mixing bowl. I have baking powder, some salt, an egg, and flour. So I normally don't know how to measure. I normally just approximate and I use my eyes or my ancestors guide me on how to do it. But today I'm going to make it easy for you guys by telling you how many tablespoons. guys, we are finally done. We have the passion flavor, the lemon flavor, and the chocolate flavor here. As you can see, it's well cooked inside and it looks good for the chocolate. You can see, and they're easy to break, so they're not hard at all. And for the lemon, you can see how soft they are, and they're really good. And you can have them with some cold milk. So I normally just place them in this jar. I mix up the different flavors as I put them inside. So, and then throughout the week we just snack on them when you feel like you're hungry or you need a boost of sugar maybe. And then some of them I'll give them out to our friends and our neighbors, because we can't finish all this. It's not even healthy to have all this. Yep, try out this recipe. Tell me what you think. Any of the recipes, comment down below whether they were yummy or not. And that's it from me this week. Hope to see you again next week with another different and more interesting video. Have an amazing week. Stay at home, stay safe, and stay blessed. Bye.